Aerial 3D rendering, 5 ways it helps an architect prove.
Their project is a precious investment. Aerial 3D rendering shows the entire design as a whole. Bird's eye view 3D rendering helps showcase the project's infrastructure. Aerial CGI depict the visual impact of the design on surroundings. Bird's eye view 3D rendering accurately demonstrates the size of the building. Aerial 3D renders showcase design features that can only be seen from above. Thank you for watching. Have a question? Get in touch with us.